In this video, we are going to see something amazing in the Adobe Firefly, and that is you can create and convert this simple sketch into a real looking mountain. So I'll use this sketch and convert it into these real mountains using AI. So let's see how we can do this, but for reference, you can get this file with the resources section of this video so that you don't have to find around. What we will do is use the text to image function. From the home tab, we have this prompt section right here. So let's write high snowy peaks, just write that. Make sure you select something that is close to your sketch. So we get something like this, but we want to use this as a reference. So although it can be directly selected and click on use as a style reference and it should be added in the reference field. But if not, you can just click here and you can either convert it into high quality by upscaling it or just let's download it directly. So this one should be used as a reference or any one of them. All right. Now what we'll do is use the Firefly image 4 since it is an image, use the widescreen. And what we will do is in the composition, I want to use this long peaks. The strength should be maximum because I want it to be adjusted just like this, a single peak. The strength of the style, let's use this image. Okay, this image is added as a reference, so that's good. Let's use another image to see if the reference is properly getting selected. Use this as a style reference. Let's see. Okay, now it is getting selected. So it's your choice in the styles if you want to keep it to minimum or keep it to middle. That's your choice. Make it hyper realistic, and that's very easy to select from effects. If you have a lot of effects, just click on themes and then you should be able to apply this filter. All good. Let's click on generate to fill in that sketch into reality. So you can see the reference image is followed in every picture. You can generate some more results as well, but it has tried to follow the reference image in every single picture. Let's try it on Firefly image 3. Click on generate again. And as we can see, the image 3 works best. Although it's not hyper realistic, but that's the problem with the quality. So let's click on upscale all and let's use any one of them. Let's say I want to use this one. Click on download and we will compare the two. Now check this out, guys. This one is the sketch and this one is the reality. So you can easily convert this into a real looking picture just by using simple command and simple technique. So you can see right here that the image is exactly the same and it has completely converted. Look, the pattern of the mountain is also same. So that's how you can create some amazing photos just by using the sketch and turn it into reality using AI functions of Firefly. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.